Welcome to St. Croix, by far the best stop on the cruise so far. If you get off of the ship and you can see a nice sandy beach off to the left, it is a sandy beach, but it's super rocky in the water. If you go off the dock and you go to the right though, it's kind of rocky, but it's the opposite. It's sandy in the water, and then it's got all the kinds of snorkeling that you can want. You can go out by the pier and there's all kinds of sea turtles that you can see. If you go off to the right, there's also a pipeline that Jen said just had all kinds of amazing fish, all kinds of tropical fish and coral and stuff growing all over it. You can see a bunch of stuff in there. And then if you get hungry, you keep going down further, there's this place, it's called Louis and Nachos Restaurant and Bar, and they have some of the best nachos I've ever had. You go up to the second story and have the nachos and have a fun drink and look at the Caribbean Ocean, the beautiful blue water out in the ocean. If you're new here to the channel, go ahead and make sure and hit that subscribe button, and we hope to see you around.